This will serve as a tutorial for creating a landing page from a list. So let's say, for instance, we want to create a list for a specific event that we're doing. So we are going to select list because it's not based on something that somebody did. So like a show that we used to do was National Finals Rodeo. So we could say like NFR. We're going to create our list. And then within our settings, we want this to be single opt-in. And double opt-in just essentially means that someone has to confirm their subscription. Single opt-in is great if you are using list cleaning, and then also if you actually have had an interaction with the person who is signing up. So you know that they are genuinely interested in your brand. Okay, so we're going to go and subscribe and preference pages. And we are going to customize for this list. Okay, now we're going to select a subscribe page. So we normally change the name of it just so we can also see exactly what it is, or even just something as simple as adding the logo. If you're going to be the one managing it, you don't necessarily need to worry about all of the information in here. And then we also remove the first and the last name just because they aren't necessarily needed. And then we'll also, it will give you a confirmation page. And then since we had already removed the double opt-in, it won't ask them to confirm. So what we'll do here is copy this URL, and anytime someone goes to this URL, this will actually show up on a landing page for them. Lastly, if we enter the link to test it out on our side, it should populate the landing page here.